Mayonnaise lovers who have to watch their sodium need my mayonnaise blend. 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise has 70 milligrams of sodium. It's not talking heaping, it's talking level. Federal guidelines say that if a product is below 140 milligrams of sodium per serving, it can be called low sodium. I just don't call mayonnaise low sodium because people don't use just 1 tablespoon. We've had folks for dinner, and you can't sit there and stare, but they slather the mayonnaise on, those that really love mayonnaise. My husband loves his mayonnaise. He puts it on both sides of the bread to make a sandwich, both sides of the bun. Oh, that can add up quick, really quick. Makes it really hard to stay under that magic number that the doctor gave you and said you got to stay under this amount of sodium every day. If we're over 51, guidelines say we're supposed to have no more than 1,500 milligrams a day. I am not fond of the taste of just plain sour cream. I love it in beef stroganoff and in dips, but not plain. I don't want to put plain sour cream on a potato or on a casserole or anything else. Knudsen's Hampshire sour cream has only 10 milligrams of sodium for 2 tablespoons. I tried for a long time to mix things up so that I could lower that sodium from 70 milligrams down to something that might be a little more workable. Threw a whole lot of stuff away. This little plate has got 3 tablespoons on it, 2 mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of the sour cream. After a lot of trial and error, I tried this, and I can't taste the sour cream in it. So I took it to my husband for a taste test. He'll always taste everything for me because he knows what I'm doing. And he tasted it, and he said, "It's mayonnaise." I said, "Do you taste anything else on it?" He says, "Jude, I can't taste anything but mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of the sour cream, mix it up, and you got 3 tablespoons. And I want to show you this because this looks like it'll do a nice sandwich. Here, see, that's just about right. Just about right. I've used this in tuna salad, chicken salad, all kinds of salad, potato, pastas. We can't taste any sour cream in it. All we taste is the mayonnaise. The mayonnaise has 140 milligrams of sodium. I used 1 tablespoon for 5. 145 milligrams of sodium. I've got 3 level tablespoons instead of 210. Then it kind of becomes a substantial number when we're trying to watch what we're doing. Whenever I can reduce the sodium this much and keep the flavor, you can bet that's what I'm going to do. If your mayonnaise is less than 48.34 milligrams per a tablespoon, please leave me a comment with the name and where you bought it. I'd like to share that. Please subscribe to my channel for new tips several times a month. I'm going to try to do it every Friday. Enjoy your mayonnaise.